There was a time in history when manufacturing was hard work. Factories were not fun places. But that was before the invention of the industrial robot. Modern production facilities have robots that can handle materials, weld, paint, assemble, sort, grind, package, and tend machines. In this course series, you'll learn a great deal about industrial robotic arms, including their structure, how they move, how they are operated, and how they help automate manufacturing processes. You'll also get a chance to program these robots, both on an actual robotic system and using the cloud-based RoboX simulator. Robots don't work alone on the manufacturing floor, which is also why you'll get a chance to explore peripheral devices such as conveyors, feeders, and sensors. Feel like a challenge? Besides learning how to work with the simulation and how to program and operate the robot, you'll embark on a series of missions that will test the limits of your knowledge and abilities. Explore, create, and automate in Intelitek's Industrial Robotics course series. Good luck!